Back here at home, a big update from Moderna about its COVID vaccine. Moderna says that it has given kids and babies a first dose of the vaccine. Yeah, babies. Participants in the study include children as young as 6 months old. The news comes as we learn more than 38 million people in the country are now fully inoculated. But health officials are urging everyone to still take precautions this spring as more states ease their restrictions. So according to Johns Hopkins University, more than 29 million people in this country have been infected with the coronavirus, and the death toll nationwide is now more than 535,000. Naomi Ruchim is tracking all of this for us from New York. Naomi, good morning.
Anne-Marie, good morning to you. That's right. Despite that great news on the vaccine front, we have to remind ourselves that people are still dying from COVID-19 every day in this country. In fact, alarming numbers, seeing that the 7-day average here in the U.S. is still about 1,300 people dying every day from COVID. And this all comes as experts are still looking at those new variants and hoping that they are not resistant to the vaccine. Today, Mississippi becomes the second state joining Alaska in allowing anyone 16 and older to get vaccinated.
I think that would be great for the Mississippi so we can get back to some kind of normalcy. We all need it.
More than 11% of the U.S. population is fully vaccinated, leading many states to loosen restrictions.
Absolutely fantastic to be able to seat more people and make more people happy.
President Biden has directed states to make shots available to everyone by May 1st.
Shots in arms and money in pockets.
The president will travel the country this week promoting his COVID relief bill.
We have to prove to the American people that their government can deliver for them and do it without waste or fraud.
Today, Mr. Biden visits a small business near Philadelphia, while the First Lady and members of the administration also crisscross America.
With the American Rescue Plan, help is here.
The head of the CDC, though, is urging Americans not to take a victory lap just yet. She insists a coronavirus surge is still possible if Americans aren't cautious as they travel for spring break.
Cases climbed last spring. They climbed again in the summer. They will climb now.
Down in South Florida,
we came down here from the Midwest to enjoy some sun.
Local officials have cause for concern.
We've got too many people coming who are just acting out, and we have COVID at the same time.
Florida has the most known cases of the highly contagious variants. And today in Florida, the vaccine is now available to everyone 60 and older. But of course, Anne-Marie, we know those are not your typical spring breakers. So there's still concern over those crowds that are gathering and traveling who have not been vaccinated, while COVID-19 is still very much an issue in this country. Anne-Marie?
It certainly is. Hey, can you tell us a little bit more about this Moderna vaccine trials on children? We're not just talking about sort of older teenagers. We're talking about actual kids.
Well, and a lot of folks are very excited about this because Moderna has now given the first doses in this trial to children, young children. They're hoping to enroll about 6,000 in all, but they are children ranging in age from 6 months to 12 years old. So if they can be receptive to this vaccine, they're testing for a couple of things. First of all, if the kids can tolerate it, and also if it's safe and effective. This could be great news in terms of getting those kids vaccinated, hopefully in the next couple of months, if not before the end of the year. Anne-Marie?
All right, Naomi, thank you so much.